Whether you are developing a new software application or plotting out a creative project, you eventually hit a common requirement. You need to populate your work with people. And to make those people believable, they need birthdays. But generating true randomness is difficult for the human brain. If you attempt to invent 50 birth dates manually, you will likely default to familiar patterns, clustering dates around your own birth month, your family's anniversaries, or easily recognizable number sequences. Even if you pick an arbitrary date, say April 4th, 1982, you face the task of building its context. To make that data useful, you must determine their current age, verify the day of the week, and cross-reference their specific zodiac sign. Performing these calculations for a single entry takes moments, but repeating the process dozens or hundreds of times creates a bottleneck that drains time away from your primary project. Manually inventing birthdays introduces a recurring series of microtasks that fragment a production timeline and stall your creative momentum. The MiniWebTool Random Birthday Generator removes this manual work by automating the entire data creation process. The process is simple. Within the digital workspace, you type in the volume of birthdays you need and select Generate. The tool instantly produces a randomized list of dates alongside the exact current age for every entry. The generator also appends the specific day of the week and the corresponding zodiac sign for every date on your list. Each entry also includes a historical fun fact specific to that birth date, providing immediate depth to each data point. This automated layering allows you to go from a blank field to a detailed list of profiles in seconds. This multi-layered data can be deployed across several professional fields, starting with software testing. Quality assurance testers use these contextualized dates to stress test age verification systems and complex leap year logic without having to manually script every individual test case. The tool also assists with database generation at scale. Software developers can quickly populate large dummy databases with realistic profiles, allowing them to test the performance of their architecture while strictly avoiding the use of private, real-world user data. Beyond technical applications, this data serves creative projects and world building. Writers, game designers, and tabletop players use the zodiac and historical facts as instant character building prompts, providing specific details that help move past creative blocks. Whether the objective is technical software stress testing or narrative development, having access to rich synthetic data provides a foundation for rapid iteration. Transitioning from manual entry to automated generation changes how you approach large-scale data tasks. It replaces the inherent biases of the human brain and the slow pace of manual calculation with data sets that are instantaneous and varied. Offloading these minor calculations to the tool allows you to remain focused on higher-level tasks. The time saved can be redirected toward your primary goals: writing code, optimizing databases, or refining your stories. To find more tools that streamline your workflow, subscribe to the MiniWebTool channel.